Lleida. Today I'm going to show you how to create a complete template in Click and Sign, the online electronic signature platform. First of all, we need to log in into the user area, enter your username and password. Once inside, we'll go directly to the template section, and here you'll find the option to create a new template. First step, enter the company or user info and set up the branding image and signature page. Give each template a different name for easy identification. Write the name of the company or contact and it will appear on the evidence document. Choose a language for the signature page and the email sent during the process. Enter the sender's name or phone number for SMS. Write the sender's name for email and set up the signature expiration time, which is the time between sending the documents and when they will be unavailable for signing. Once you completed this info, move on to editing the branding image, upload the company logo, choose a bottom color, text color, and background color. In step number 2, user can access the documents either with an access code they know in advance, not sent in any notification, of course, or with one-time use code, which is a 6-digit code that can be sent via email or SMS without certification. You can select both types. In step number 3, choose how you want to notify user of pending documents for signing, which can be done via SMS or email, both certified. Enter the sender and message text. This message must include a hashtag for recipient to access the signature page. To complete it, add the hashtag for recipient name and the contract ID. Same thing for email. Check the options to add attachments to the email that do not require any signatures. Moving on to step number 4, you can choose a type of signature. For this template, you can choose select biometrical handwritten signature or single-use code signature. Set up the number of characters for the single-use code and how many times it can be entered incorrectly and when the code will appear. You can send it via email or SMS, both certified. If you choose SMS, write the sender and message text informing the user of the code, include the OTP hashtag. If you want to send the code by email, enter the sender, subject, and customize the email text. The OTP hashtag is also required to obtain the codes. Another parameter is to set up when the signature button is activated. You'll find 3 options. You can also set up whether to show a button to the client signing documents. In step number 5, here we're going to set up whether signers can send documentation during the signing process. You can give a name to the document you want signer to upload and mark whether it's mandatory. You can add more than one document. Proceeding to step number 6, here we set the reminders, set up when you want the reminders to be sent with days, hours, and minutes, and choose whether to send it via email or SMS and whether to certify it. Write the sender and message text reminding them that they have pending documents to sign and include the website address. Once you have it, you can preview it and how it will be sent and click the save button. Moving on to the next step, you'll find a notification. These are messages that are automatically sent when there is a change of status on the delivery. There are many options in this case. Select to notify the user when they have signed and choose the email as a notification method. You can attach document based on the selected events. Click the options that you prefer. Since it's an email, add the sender's name, recipient. You can include someone in copy, subject of the email, and customize the email text. Step number 7, you'll find advanced settings. Here you can set up where to redirect the users after they have signed, as well as what happens each time they receive notification about events. Finally, the last step is to review all the entered information and to save the template. And done! You see, it is easy, friendly, and intuitive to create a template. Let me know if you have any questions. See you!